Okay, so we've parked at a steep uphill location. I'm turning my handbrake on. I love the physical handbrake. It just feels so good. I want to show you how steep this uphill is right now, because that's going to help build some context for what we're dealing with here. So the uphill isn't too crazy, but it's definitely noticeable. And obviously, if you were to disengage your parking brake in this case, or let go of the brakes and you're driving, the car would start rolling back. That's just gravity for you, okay? So I want to show a cool feature with this car where when you actually are in gear and you're clutched in, okay, and then you let off the brakes, it will brake hold for about 2 to 3 seconds. But this is a really cool feature which I think is extremely useful for both beginner and experienced manual drivers. It means that you don't need to use your manual handbrake in order to stop yourself from rolling back on an uphill. And it helps reduce and eliminate that anxiety that a lot of new manual drivers have when driving on an uphill. And I know newer cars have brake hold dedicated as a button. In this case, it's just integrated with every single uphill situation. So let's check this out, okay? I'm clutched out right now. My manual handbrake is on, okay? I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to put the manual handbrake down. I'm in neutral. I'm going to clutch out, okay? And I'm going to release the brakes. You'll see that we start rolling back. I'm not in reverse. I'm not in reverse. We're rolling back. We're rolling back. I'm fully letting go. We're rolling fully back, okay? So that's a really scary situation, especially if there's a car behind you. That's why I'm not demonstrating this in traffic. I'm showing you in a parking lot, okay? Now, let's try that again. I'm going to clutch in. I'm clutch all the way in. I'm going to first gear, okay? And you can't see my foot on my brake, unfortunately, but I'll tell you, when my hand goes up, I've released the brake, okay? 3, 2, 1, hand goes up. We're not rolling back. We're not rolling back. Now we start rolling back. Isn't that cool? Let's show that one more time. This is a really, really cool feature about this car. People don't know about it. Okay, again, there's no brake hold feature here, okay? I'm just in regular mode. We can go to sport mode. It'll do it as well, okay? I'm gonna show you, okay? Clutched out, in neutral, brake pedal in. I'm just gonna start rolling back immediately. I'm rolling back. We can see this, right? Okay, I'm gonna clutch in, go to first gear. I'm gonna creep back up. People are so mad I'm riding the clutch. Okay, now watch this, okay? I'm clutching in, going to first gear. My manual handbrake is down, okay? My handbrake is down. And now I'm going to show you 3, 2, 1. I let go of the brakes, let go of the brakes, let go of the brakes, and then I start rolling back. There you go. This will save your life, guys. It will save your life. It saved my life. When I first got the car, I was doing this whole thing where I was holding the manual handbrake up and then slowly letting it down and then, you know, doing a circus. It was a circus. It was ridiculous. Okay, amazing. So now we're in an actual traffic condition, okay? We're on uphill. I'm not turning my handbrake on. Look, that's my handbrake. It's down, okay? I'm in neutral, okay? I'm letting up the clutch. I'm just holding the brakes. I'm just holding the brakes. I'm not doing anything else. We're gonna wait for it to go green. So that, one thing with manual is you learn to pay attention to the cross traffic lights. So I know that went yellow, so this is going green. I'm going to clutch in, first gear, okay? I'm letting go of the brakes, and now I'm putting some power in. I haven't rolled back. I let go of the brakes for maybe 1.5 to 2 seconds, okay? Now second gear. No problems whatsoever. It's so friendly with uphill traffic. It's amazing.